Today we are doing a small procedure. This procedure is about a broken nail. So this patient has a long nail, so therefore they cause him a suffer a broken nail. But we have to remove that broken nail. We are applying iodine so to make the wound germ free. This is a type of antiseptic. We are using on wounds. So we have a drop, 4 or 5 drops are enough. Now we have to remove it with a cotton. The blood spots has been cleaned. Now we have to cut the broken nail with a cutter. Successfully has got successfully completed a fragile process. Again we have to remove the blood spot. Now we have to remove these hairs. It can also cause fungus because this is the most easiest part to be attacked by germs. Out. Now we have to remove the dirt. The nails were extremely dirty, so we have to make it clean to make him safe from any attack of virus.